Hello everyone. So guys, as of now, we have seen the Vertex AI demo, the complete, let's say Vertex AI demo we have seen. We have implemented different kinds of application with the help of Vertex AI. So now it's time to explore another LLMops platform called AWS Bedrock. So this service is available in the AWS cloud. So make sure you have the AWS account. So if you don't have the account, just try to create one account. Initially, it will give you $300 free credit, but you have to add your card there. Got it? So after login with your console, so you will get this kinds of window, okay, in the AWS. So this is my console. So now here, what you have to do, you have to search for Bedrock. So let me search. So see, Amazon Bedrock. And this is the service, actually the easiest way to build and scale generative AI application with the foundation model. So let me open up the Bedrock. Now I'll just click on get started. See, if you're opening for the first time this Bedrock, what you have to do, you have to request for the model access. So there is a button you will see, request model access. Just try to click here and see, for me, I already requested the model. Okay, for me, I already requested the model and I got the access. You can see some of the model actually they didn't given me the access. For this, what I have to do, I have to again, let's say resubmit the access request. Then I think I might get. But for you, what you will do, you will select all the model and try to send the request. Okay, send the request. You will see that in 5 to 10 minutes, actually, they will provide the access. Got it? And make sure you check your region, actually in which region actually you are sending the request. Okay, because that in that region actually your model will be available. So I'm currently inside AP South 1, that means Asia Pacific, Mumbai. Okay, so now if I go to any other region, let me show you. So if I, let's say, go to North Virginia, so there you will be able to see I don't have any access of any model. Now see, it will show you this kinds of window, enable all model. Okay, now if I click here, now just select all the model and try to click on the next. Okay, now you have to submit the request. Okay, you have to submit the request. So let's submit the request. Sometimes actually they will ask for some information, so you also need to let's say submit some information, let's say your name, email address. Okay, then you can send the request. After sending the request, in 5 to 10 minutes you will see that they will give you the model access. So guys, you can see after sending the request, actually I got the access. You can see granted access. And some of the model you can see it is still in progress. So I think it will take some time to give me the access. Okay, so that's how actually you can apply for the access. So once you got the access, that means congratulations, now you can start with the Bedrock services. That means now you got all the, let's say, access of the foundation model. Now let me get back to my that region, actually Mumbai region. Now see, this is your Bedrock interface. If I click on the overview, now you are having different foundation model here. And what is foundation model? I already told you these are large language model, and different companies also has collaborated with the AWS. Even they have also published their model. Like you can see Amazon is having their own model. Apart from that, Cloudy has like updated their model. Then Cohere, Llama, Mistral. Okay, so you can see all the provider. Okay, all the provider, they have collaborated with the AWS and they hosted their model on the AWS. That means AWS Bedrock. Okay. Now, what you can do, you can access this the model through API. Got it? So you don't need to download this the model in your system. That is the main advantage here. Now you can also play with the playground. Let's say if I click on the chat. So here is the chat, guys. So you can select the model. Let's say I want to select this model. Let's say I'll select this Llama 3 8 billion instruct model. Now if I send any request, let's say hello. Let's say this is my prompt. Now see, it is giving me the answer. So that's how actually it is having different kinds of playground, text playground, chat playground, image playground, because it is also having multi-model as well. So you can see here different model. Let's say you want to use this Amazon model. So just try to click here. See all kinds of Amazon model you will be able to see. It is having Titan text G1 Lite, Titan text G1 Express, okay, Titan image generator, then Titan multi-model embeddings. Now, if you want to use, let's say, this model, what you can do, you need to just copy the model ID. So this is the model ID, and with the help of model ID, you can use it. Similar wise for the meta also, let's say you want to access Llama. Okay, Llama model, you can see. So for this, you have to use this. You have to use this model ID. Okay. Even from here also, you can directly open in the playground and you can also play with these at the model. Even if you go to the example section, they have given different example. Even you can also copy these at the code and you can execute in your system. Now let's click on the base model. You can see different kinds of base model it is also having. Even if you want to train your custom model, it is also possible. Just go to the custom model. You can also perform the fine tuning operation. So from the UI itself, you can do the fine tuning operation. Even let's say after fine tuning, you can also keep your model here, okay, in the custom model section, so that you can load this model as an API. Okay, every functionality actually this Bedrock will give you, so you can use them. So yes, this is the overview of our Amazon Bedrock. That means it's a platform, it's a LLMops platform. Here we are having different kinds of foundation model. Even all the functionality it is also provides. With the help of these are the functionality, you can create any kinds of GenAI based application. So in the next video, what we'll do, guys, we'll just try to do the hands-on on this AWS Bedrock. That means we'll be accessing, these are the foundation model through the Python, okay, Python code. That is the agenda. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.